Really started when I was a kid. I was just naturally inclined to be more on the math, numbers side. I wasn't a big reader, wasn't a big writer, but numbers made a lot of sense to me. When I got to high school, I had some really great teachers who really built my interest in math and physics, and then that really propelled me onto my career in engineering. I went from Pueblo south and ended up going to Colorado School of Mines in Golden. Started my mechanical engineering degree there, and I thought, man, I would really love to work on moving stuff. And really didn't know that I was going to end up working on trains. So I took some courses at Pueblo Community College as part of my degree. Had a good time trying to expand myself as a person and not stay so focused in engineering and STEM only, but adding those other parts. Having an internship while you're in college really gives you that opportunity to experience professional life. The thing that people underappreciate in STEM and in engineering is that it really requires you to have a lot of curiosity. Know that it's okay to be curious all the time, ask lots of questions. Even if you do all the great work with all the numbers, you eventually have to tell other people how you got there. So storytelling and narrating what has happened is a really huge part of what we do. If you are already committed to STEM, great, jump in both feet. Don't be scared to experiment with different ideas or different career paths that are within the STEM field. Don't be too hard on yourself. There's going to be a lot of experiences you're going to go through and learn, and just keep working hard. Don't be afraid of failure. Failure is just part of learning. It's just part of the process.